In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Postmark API token. By the end, you'll know exactly which token you need, where to find it, and how to generate it safely for your app or workflow. First, a quick overview so you choose the right type. Postmark has two main tokens. The Server API token is the one most people use for sending emails and making server-level API requests. Think of it as credentials tied to a specific server in your Postmark account. The Account API token is broader in scope and is used for account-wide tasks, like creating servers or managing sender signatures. Only account owners or admins can view the Account API token. Let's start with creating a Server API token for sending emails. Begin by logging into your Postmark account at the standard account portal and signing in. Once you're in, head to the Servers section from the left sidebar. Choose the server you want to use. If you don't have one yet, create a new server so you can keep environments and projects neatly separated. Inside your chosen server, open the API Tokens tab. This page lists any existing server API tokens for that server and is where you'll create new ones. Look for the button to generate a new token. Click it and give your token a clear, descriptive name so future you knows exactly what it's for. Something like App Backend or Zapier integration works well. Postmark will display the newly created token once. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or your deployment platform's secret storage. Avoid pasting it into shared docs, screenshots, or version control. You can create multiple tokens per server, which is helpful when different apps or services need separate credentials. That also makes it easier to rotate or revoke a single token without affecting others. Now, if you need to perform account-level actions, here's how to get the Account API token. From your Postmark dashboard, go to the Account area in the top navigation. Open the API Tokens section and you'll see the Account API token there. Copy it and store it securely. Remember, only admin or owner roles can view this token. Because it grants account-wide access, treat it with extra care and share it only with systems that truly need it. If a token is ever exposed or no longer needed, revoke or regenerate it from the same area. That's it. With the correct token in hand, you're ready to authenticate your requests and follow Postmark's docs to integrate securely.